This is Mike from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'm going to take you through a quick video tour of my 2004 Sea Ray 240 Select. This boat has been rack kept for the last 6 years at our facility. Prior to that, it was used in freshwater only. The boat has no bottom paint. As you can see, the boat has a bimini top. Bottom is not bottom painted, and it has been kept clean. Aft shower head, fresh water. The port side. On the starboard side, a remote for the trim for the outdrive if you're trailering the boat. Let's take a walk up inside the boat. Here's your ski tee right here. Vinyl is in good condition on this boat. Nice aerial view of the whole area. Port and starboard chairs with flip-up bolsters. Here's your cockpit area. Let's take a walk back to the motor box. Here is the table storage for the table for the cockpit, which would go right here. Here's our 350 mag. 2 batteries stored on this boat. If you have any questions about this or any other of our listings at MarineMax, please give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thank you.